But it's true, right? Because regression methods is all about what are you trying to solve for? What is the factor that you think affects that? And what is the weight you are trying to assign to that factor, right? What is the factor and what is the weight you want to assign to that factor? That is like 95% of data science, right? Like you can trace back just about every data science model back to that question. What are the features? What is the weight? So that's another thing you're going to learn in applied statistics, right? Features and weights. What are we trying to predict, and what can possibly predict it, and to what degree, to what weight? So yeah, Rex, tons of overlap there between those. Akib says power turned off. Unfortunately, I didn't catch a suggestion to my problem ahead of row. Oh no! Oh, Akib, I gave you a long answer too, my friend. Can you please refer back to the replay? I save these replays up on YouTube, okay? So please refer back to the replay and you can get the answer there. Joseph says, thoughts on doing a master's in DS versus a PhD in DS? That's a very personal question, Joseph, because it also ties back to your own personal costs, your own finances, what it is that you want to do with the rest of your life. So I really can't answer for you that, my friend. Maybe if you want to put some more information into Discord, maybe there's like some differences in the programs that isn't immediately visible. Please let me know, okay? But it's really hard to answer that. I'm 40. I want to be a data scientist. I am postgraduate in civil engineering. I am having a career gap of 4 years. Will I be hired if I learn the necessary skills? Sure. Yeah, don't let that stop you.